Hi guys, myself Shravani. I am working as a test engineer. I want to convey like a funny. It's not a name, it's a brand. I have career gap in my life. So after 7 years, I worked as a professor. I switched to IT domain. I am tired of looking jobs like putting fake and all. So then I found funny as my mentor. Then I joined here by trusting him. Now from last 3 years I am working, I am doing very good. I feel like funny is equal to self confidence, self esteem and everything. Once you join with funny, you came to know how he is and how good he is. Here I am representing everyone who are looking for a better opportunity. Even though it will take time, you will survive, you will do good. So please join Aja if you are looking for a job, or if you want to become a skilled professional, then this is the right place to join here. Thank you.